Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to continue the lecture 1 of MS Word 2016, in which we were doing the font group of the home ribbon, home tab, and today we are going to do the paragraph and much more. So this is a paragraph, you can see it. If we divide it in two lines, and we want to make it in a bullet form, so simply we have to select it, and then we have to uh, click the bullets option, and also there are types of bullets around a whole, around empty circle, a square like things, and a tick. So if you also want to make it in a 1 2 3 form, or a BBC form, or a Roman form, you can also do it. Moreover, if you want to make it in letter form, you can also do it. So you have to click this option. This is what called multi-level list. So you can see this by clicking on the option where you have to write another description of the first point. You have to click enter here, then tab. So you can see 1.1. So you can write here description of the first point. By using this, you can also write for second and third part. After that, there is a align option. This is for aligning left, this is for center align, this is for right align, and this is for justify. Justify medium will make it in a better. After that, there is a decrease indent option, which will make your paragraph closer to the margin. And then this is also this paragraph is already in closer to the margin. After that, you may see increase indent option. So by clicking it, you will make it farther to the margin. And then there is a spacing between line spacing is a spacing line spacing, or paragraph spacing is spacing between lines. Your standard spacing between lines is 1.5. Moreover, this is a shade you want to fill. We are now filling. We have white shade. You can also fill it a gray. After that, here is a borders. By selecting all the text you want to make it border, you will have to you can choose different borders. So this is also if you want to sort it in a ascending or descending order, you can also do it. So this is all, and after that there is styles group in the home tab. Here you can see the ribbon gallery. There are different style, normal style. After that, no spacing style, simple style. After that, heading 1 style, and then heading 2 style. So for having, uh, let's stop it. Hmm. So if you want to make a heading like this, heading 1, then do it in a next. Next, page. So make it heading 2 and then heading 3. And we're seeing heading 1 option here. By selecting the heading 1 text, you will have to click the heading 1 option. After that, heading 2 option, and then it will be decreasing. Like you also do it in your copies. That first you will you will increase the size of the first heading, then decrease, and decrease. So if you want to write a code in your essay or your book, you can also do this code option. Then after that, there is a subtitle option. So subtitle, emphasis, and then much more. So you can do a lot of things, a lot of things on your MS Word. So if you can see this, fine. If you want to search smart word in the following paragraph or following document, you can simply click find and then right here in navigation tab. After that, there is a replace button. Search for the text you would like to change. You can also use, for example, you want to make it in a upper case, you will simply click replace and then you will click the find word and you will have to write it and then find next. So this is all you have done. And if you select or if you want to select all, you will have to click select all. If you select objects, no objects here. So select all the text with similar formatting also. So this is all the home tab information I have given you. Inshallah, we will do it other tabs information lecture in the next videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Please share it, like it, and also subscribe it. Thank you for watching it. Thank you so much.